SAP Job Market Trends 2026, Hot Modules and Emerging Roles. Navigating the evolving landscape of SAP careers in a dynamic technological era. The defining year for SAP careers, 2026. Context. 2027 marks the end of SAP ECC support, driving a global migration surge to S/4HANA. Cloud-first strategy dominates. SAP S/4HANA Cloud and RISE adoption up 26% year-over-year, indicating a clear shift in enterprise architecture. AI integration and geopolitical risks reshape demand for new SAP skill sets, emphasizing resilience and innovation. S/4HANA migration, the talent war's epicenter. Over 60% of SAP customers worldwide have yet to purchase migration licenses, indicating a massive wave of upcoming projects. Migration projects compress hiring timelines, intensifying competition for skilled consultants, developers, and project managers. Brownfield, 53%, Greenfield, 40%, and Bluefield, 7% migration approaches diversify role requirements, demanding versatile expertise. Hot SAP modules driving demand in 2026. SAP S/4HANA Finance and FICO. Real-time financial insights and AI-driven automation are critical for compliance and reporting in a complex regulatory environment. Supply chain and logistics, SCM, EWM, TM. Enhanced by AI predictive analytics for inventory and demand forecasting, ensuring robust and resilient global operations. HR and talent management, SuccessFactors, ECP. Cloud and AI-enabled workforce solutions are growing rapidly, focusing on employee experience and talent optimization. Emerging roles fueled by cloud and AI. SAP Business Technology Platform developers, commanding highest day rates, £700 to £800. They build innovative extensions on clean core systems. AI-aware functional consultants, integrating SAP Joule and AI-driven process intelligence into finance, procurement, and supply chain processes. Security and governance GRC specialists, rising demand due to geopolitical tensions and sovereign cloud and data requirements, safeguarding critical information. Automation and citizen development, new frontiers. 57% of organizations leverage automation. 75% emphasize no-code, low-code platforms, empowering citizen developers to create solutions. SAP Fiori and workflow automation skills are increasingly sought after to boost productivity and streamline operations. Yet 42% restrict automation to IT teams, highlighting opportunity gaps for cross-functional SAP roles to drive broader adoption. Enable citizen dev, automate processes, drive innovation, boost productivity. Hiring trends and market dynamics. Contract versus permanent. Contract hiring remains strong, but permanent roles are rising, with 55% of 2026 vacancies permanent in some markets. Salary premiums. Growing for BTP, Fiori, S/4HANA Finance, and RISE with SAP experts, reflecting their high demand and specialized skills. Work expectations. On-site and hybrid work expectations return, favoring candidates flexible with travel and client engagement. Skills to future-proof your SAP career in 2026. Must-have skills. S/4HANA migration expertise, cloud architecture knowledge, and AI integration are paramount to success. Avoid stagnation. ECC only, legacy ABAP without HANA, and on-prem basis skills are losing value rapidly. Continuous learning. Adaptability and continuous learning are key to thriving in the ever-evolving SAP ecosystem. Case study snapshot of SAP talent in action. UK and Europe. Cloud ERP momentum drives 22+% year-over-year cloud revenue growth, fueling demand for S/4HANA functional consultants and BTP developers. North America. LATAM SAP Talent supports U.S. operations, balancing cost and time zone alignment amid tight labor markets. Australia. Renewed confidence and hiring heat up with consultancies rebuilding delivery capabilities. Seize the SAP 2026 opportunity. SAP isn't dying, it's evolving rapidly with cloud, AI, and automation at its core. The 2027 S/4HANA deadline creates unprecedented demand for specialized, adaptable SAP professionals. Invest in hot modules and emerging roles now to win the SAP talent war and future-proof your career.